Hi, it's Mark Christiansen, your host of Amazing Foods TV, this channel right here on YouTube. Hey, and thanks, by the way, for all of your support. It's been great so far. Wait till you see this. I hope you like smoothies. I put together several different videos on smoothie drinks, and I've included the recipes down below. You'll be able to see those in the description. And also, please, if you can like and put any comments there that you'd like. Maybe you have some ideas of some recipes we can look at coming up here. Let's get going right now. I hope you're thirsty. These are some delicious smoothies. A kale smoothie. Minimal prep, fast to make, and easy to carry around with you. Smoothies are the ultimate way to boost your superfood intake and kick your health and wellness up a gear. All you need is a blender and a plug socket to jump aboard the smoothie train. A kale smoothie was a tough sale for me when it first became a thing, but now I truly enjoy these chewy green leaves in loads of my whizzed-up drinks. Kale must be the most talked about leaf ever. People are blending them, crisping them, even taking pictures with them, and hashtagging time for a health kick. It all seems very strange, but they really are that good for you. I'm all there for the hype, and you should be too. Now, if you blend up a bunch of raw kale with water, you're going to be very disappointed, depressed, and probably question if being healthy is even worth this misery. Add a little flavor and flair, and you're going to have a great smoothie that ticks all the health boxes, tastes super good, and sees you chanting about how your body is a temple. Take 2 cups of kale that's been washed and had the stems removed, 2 cups of chopped up fresh pineapple, 1 cup of apple juice, 1 banana, half the juice of 1 lime, and a few ice cubes. Blend it all up for about 5 minutes to break up all the kale. If it's still a little chunky after the first 5, a few extra minutes won't hurt. It will get there eventually. This smoothie is green like the Hulk and will make you feel as perfect as his giant symmetrical pecs. The pineapple and lime is sweet and sharp, so the thickening banana is a welcome addition to tone things down. If you've been reluctant to try green smoothies, just give it a go. The kale flavor is so subtle and is the mother of all superfoods. An absolute must for anybody looking to get the most out of their healthy smoothies. Well, that's a tasty little number, isn't it? Look what I found in a restaurant the other day. Life's greatest joys come from sharing good food. And that's what we're doing right here on Amazing Foods TV. Hope you like that video. Please like, share it, and comment on it. Leave us your comments as well, too, if you have any ideas that you'd like to see more recipes coming up. The recipes are in the description down below, so you can make these smoothies by yourselves. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.